If you're missing apps from your iPhone home screen, don't worry, there are a few ways to get them back. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the issue and bring those missing apps back to your iPhone home screen. Solution 1. Unhide the apps. From your home screen, swipe to left to Library. Scroll down. At the bottom, you can see Hidden Folder. Tap on it. Enter your Face ID or passcode. Now check this folder. If you can't find the app here, follow the next steps. Solution 2. Turn off Phone app from Allowed app. Open Setting, scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off these settings. Solution 3. Reset home screen layout. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset home screen layout. Confirm the reset. This will reset your home screen layout to the default settings and may bring back the missing apps. Check App Library. Solution 4. Swipe down on the home screen to open the search bar. Type the name of the missing app in the search bar. If the app appears in the search results, it means the app is still installed on your iPhone. You can open it from there or move it back to your home screen. That's all. This is how you can fix missing phone apps from your iPhone home screen. It's a quick and easy solution to get everything back in place. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.